Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is going to be me and the kindergarten kiddos having a Fall Fun Friday. So the way that we incorporate this is Fall Fun Friday. Each letter starts with the letter F. It is Friday, and we are going to be doing some apple centers. So the kiddos will first start off with me at literacy time, which is around 9:30. We're gonna start off by doing homemade applesauce in the crock pot. So I'll bring my crock pot from home, and then basically I need to gather up the spices and things. All of the apples are at school. They were donated by the parents. So I need to get out my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and I also need to get out my apple pie spice as well. And then I think I just need lemon juice. So let me go ahead and gather up those items to get ready to put to the side for me to take with me to work for this Fall Friday fun. All right, so we have all of our necessities: ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, apple pie spice. I have some sugar, I have my core, I have the peeler, and then I have my own cutting board, and I'll take my own knife. Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today we are going to be making do-it-yourself homemade applesauce in the crock pot at work. So I am allowing the kiddos to work with me today to make us some applesauce. So it is going to go on low for 3 to 4 hours. We're going to chop up a bunch of apples. We're going to add in some cinnamon, nutmeg, apple pie spice. And then of course I'm going to add in like some sugar, brown sugar, and make it taste really well. So what the plan is for today, in order for the kiddos to have like that hands-on experience of the do-it-yourself applesauce, is I'm gonna allow them to put gloves on and cut some of the apples. I'm also going to allow them to add in the apples and some of the spices and other things. So it'll be 3 different groups. This is for our Fall Friday fun. And we're just learning about apples today and what we can make with apples, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's our leftover applesauce. Basically what we did was cut up all the apples. The kiddos got to do that, as you guys see right here. We then put them all in a crock pot. I added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So yeah, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I also did 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of the apple pie spice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I also added in a little bit of sugar, granulated sugar, and I also added in 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. You can add from anywhere from 1 teaspoon up to 1/4 cup of brown sugar, just because our kiddos probably are not allowed to have a bunch of sugar. That's the only reason why I did not do that. So this is what it looks like. When it got really, really hot, I was able to just go in and mash it just like this. And then of course, in order to speed up the process, what you can do is also put it into a blender and blend it up, and it will create that applesauce sort of similar like to what you see right here. All of the kiddos tried it, they loved it. They actually had at least like 2 or 3 servings of it, so that is a good thing. But I'll show you guys what it looks like blended up. All right, so blended up applesauce is gonna come out to look just like this. And this is exactly what it looked like in their cups. The peels were still on, and you're able to basically grind that up. This is good. in the refrigerator for like up to a week. So I'm gonna put it in my refrigerator. My kiddos at home would love to have some, so I just brought it home for them to have. All right, so I made it through a successful day. We made applesauce. The kids did painting with art. And not only did they do that, they got to do a like a fall movement type of thing, dance in another classroom. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this vlog.